Isa ka bang OFW na planning magpo-for good dito sa Pinas at naghahanap ng property na modern design at single detached around dito sa General Trias Cavite na may 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath at may 2 car garage? Then, welcome to your future home here in Antel Grand Village. Hi, I'm Maniling Galido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. Magandang araw mga ka-Dreamhouse! Another house tour naman tayo dito sa Antel Grand Village, which is here located in Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite. Andito po ako ngayon para ipakilala po sa inyo at ipakita po sa inyo ang isa sa model unit dito, which is Nevada Model Unit, na meron po siyang lot area na 150 square meter while the floor area is 167.13 square meter. Nevada Model Unit guys, ito po ay single detached na meron po siyang 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, may 2 car garage, and complete turnover po to guys, and of course complete amenities. And today's house tour, i-house tour ko kayo para makita nyo yung kung gaano kaganda si Nevada Model. Okay guys, let's start the house tour. Okay? So since single detached po to guys, each side ng unit nyo po ay may exist lot. So dito, since dito po tayo sa space for car garage, ito po yung car garage natin. Ito is the actual turnover guys ha. So again, this is the actual turnover. That letter, pakita ko po sa inyo yung model dress-up unit. So again guys, this is the actual turnover. So upon turnover, smooth cement finish na and kasya pong dalawang sasakyan dito. And upon turnover, including na po yung cover dito sa car garage nyo. Now, check naman natin dito, since single detached to, ipakita ko po sa inyo yung space dito sa likod. So dito po sa likod, malawak pa po tayo dito guys. So upon turnover, around 2 meters pa po yung space dito. So pwede mo siya gawin dito as a service area or laundry area. Now, so mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung ano yan dyan. So dito na side, meron pati another space as a 2 meters. So inikot lang natin para ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung view ng each side ng property mo. So again, andito natin sa front view. So upon turnover guys, leveled soil lang po to siya. So this is not actually the turnover. So ngayon, dito na sa frontage. So upon entering, so the main door natin guys, they are made of steel door. Now check natin. So this is the actual turnover. So, kung napapansin nyo, wala na kayong papaayos, wala na, as in, gamit na lang po ang kulang dito. At saka, if ever, gusto nyo po dagdagan ng interior designs, yun, mas maganda po yun, of course. Depende po yun sa inyo. And dito, guys, pakita lang po muna sa inyo yung floor plan of this property. So, ito yung floor plan niya. At tapos, dito din na po nakalagay yung mga square meter of each space ng bahay na to or property na to. So again, this is a actual turnover. Kung napapansin nyo, fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Then yung floor natin, nakatiles na po siya as 60 by 60. And nakaready na din po yung mga outlets. Then dito sa first floor guys, meron pa tayong 1 bedroom, some toilet and bath, of course, space for dining area, living area, and kitchen. So, ito yung kitchen, guys. Yes, this is the actual turnover. May tiles na po siya. 2 tub, stainless sink. Then, naka-awning type na din po yung window. Then, dito sa baba, kayo na lang po mag-provide ng cabinets. And meron pa po tayo dito, like patungan ng any something or any purposes po. Then, dito din nakalocate yung circuit breaker. So again guys, pakita ko lang po sa inyo ulit. So dito sa door natin, meron po tayo ditong door type, but glass po siya. So, maganda to dito kasi pumapasok yung natural sourcing of light. Then, pati doon. Now, check naman natin yung first bedroom. So, sa first bedroom natin, yung door natin is made of panel door, which is a premium quality. Then, of course, ang kagandahan dito, guys, sa first bedroom, if may, like, matatanda sa member of the family, wala nakakayang umakyat, good for them na dito sila mag-stay. So, again, this is actual turnover and complete turnover. May tiles na po siya, fully painted on yung walls hanggang ceiling, and yung window natin, sliding. Ano pala siya? Aluminum type po, yung window natin. So, yun ang kagandahan. Just glass type, of course, para po papasok yung natural source of light. Now, check naman natin, guys, yung sliding door, which is access to your car garage. So, upon turnover, kasaba na po to, yun. Access to your car garage, to your service area, yun. Then, pakita ko lang po sa inyo, di ba kanina umikot tayo sa each side of your property? So, ito yung sa likod. Access to your service area or magiging laundry area nyo. So, if ever gusto nyo po i-upgrade yung lot nyo dyan or extra space nyo dyan, mas okay po. Now, check naman natin yung toilet and bath. So, sa first floor pa lang, guys, meron na tayong toilet and bath. Of course, hindi nawawala dyan. Complete accessories na po tayo. Meron po tayong lavatory, water closet with flush type, window with awning type, shower, then nakatiles na din, of course, yung floor, yung hanggang sa walls, nakatiles na po sa simi, then the rest po, fully painted na po siya. Then, dito pala guys, meron po tayong, before tayo aakyat sa second floor, meron pa tayong space dito. So, magagamit nyo pa to para ma-maximize yung space, gawin yung storage, or any purposes. So guys, akit na tayo para ma-check natin yung second floor. Then, sa staircase pa lang natin guys, tubular type, with steel hand railings. Yung footstep natin dito is wood planks. So, imagine guys, kung ito yung property, wala ka na kasi papagawa or papa-upgrade. So, furnitures na lang ang kulang. And by the way guys, meron pa tayong space dito. If in case, mahilig kayo sa mga indoor plants, much better, mas maganda, lagyan nyo dito. Or any purposes na sa inyo po yan. Then, meron po tayo dyan malaking window na sourcing of natural light. So, going here in second floor, so meron pa tayo another window dito guys. So, well-ventilated and good of sourcing of natural light. So, makikita yung mga neighborhood. See? Now, again, dito sa second floor, meron pa tayong 3 bedrooms. So, since 4 bedroom kasi itong property na to, so meron pa tayong 3 room at saka 2 toilet and bath. Now, check naman natin yung second bedroom. So, this is second bedroom. So, if you are OFW or business owner planning magpo-purchase ng property dito sa Antegrand Village, perfect po to sa inyo kasi 4 bedrooms, if big family, kasyang-kasya po kayo dito. So, again, this is a complete turnover, guys. So, sa second floor, yung mga rooms natin dito, or yung floor natin dito, naka-vinyl planks type. Fully painted na po yung walls hanggang ceiling. Then, yung mga windows natin, glass type na po siya. Yan. Ganun pa siya kaganda. See? So, if ever gusto nyo isa lang ma-open na window, yan ang kagandahan dito sa kind of window na ginagamit nila. Then, yung main door natin, or yung door natin dito, each room made of panel door as a premium quality. Now, toilet and bath. So, sa toilet and bath natin, pwede dito mag-share yung bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So, yun, same, complete accessories. Meron po siyang flush type with water closet, lavatory, shower, tissue holder, nakatiles na ang floor hanggang walls as semi, then the rest fully painted, Then naka-awning type yung window. Now, proceed to bedroom 3. Sa bedroom 3 natin guys, katabi lang siya ng master bedroom. So, medyo same sila, paharap dun sa frontage of your property. So again, complete, fully painted yung walls, hanging ceiling, naka-vinyl planks type yung floor, then naka-glass window type na yung bintana natin. Then dito sa part na to, malaking bintana, which is makikita mo na yung part of the balcony, which is the access done is only the master bedroom. Okay? Check naman natin the master bedroom. Of course, pag sinabi natin master bedroom, guys, ito yung pinakamalawak, pinakamahaba na room or area dito sa property, sa isang property. So again, ang kagandaan dito guys, sa master bedroom, meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath, may sarili po siyang access going to balcony, and of course, malawak yung space mo dito. And lalo ng kagandaan dito, meron po siyang natural source of light dahil ang lawak, ang laki ng glass type ng natin dito, front view of your master bedroom. So, check muna natin yung toilet and bath. So, toilet and bath, na of course, may sariling access ka dito sa master bedroom, which is complete na din po siya. Again, may lavatory, flush type with your closet, shower, tissue holder, then naka-tiles na po yung floor hanggang sa walls as a semi, then the rest fully painted na po siya. And of course, may awning type window. So again, this is a master bedroom. Meron po siyang dito, another window. Now, check naman natin yung balcony, which is, okay, ikaw lang ang may access dito. Ganda ng hangin. So again guys, this balcony, which is the access lang po dito, is yung master bedroom mo. So, see, imagine dito ka nakatira, napaka-peaceful, ramdam mo yung security ng family mo, saka lalo yung pagiging privacy mo, yun, mafe-feel mo yun sa isang community. So again guys, naipakita ko na, by the way guys, again, this is a balcony. So, yung nila dito, terrace, like, tempered glass na po siya. Then, the floor natin is naka-tiles na siya, which 60 by 60, yung size. So, again, guys, this is the actual turnover of Nevada model here in Antal Grand Village. Now, pakita ko naman sa inyo the model dress-up unit para ma-idea kayo kung ano ng looks pag nag-upgrade na siya with interior designs and furnitures. Let's watch this video, guys. Hey guys, naipakita ko na po sa inyo kanina yung actual turnover ng Nevada model. Now, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit. So, come on guys. So again, this is a model dress-up unit. So, this is a car garage. Nakasya po dalawang sasakyan. And now, pasokin naman natin sa loob. So again guys, ito yung ginawa niya landscape garden. Again guys, single detached stove, each side of the property may exist light. Now, check naman natin itong first floor. So, ito yung outcome pag meron na pang furnitures, interior designs, appliances. And this is your living area. And this is your dining area. And this is your access going to your car garage or lanai area. And this is the upgraded kitchen. Now, check naman natin yung first bedroom. Here, ang ganda guys. Super. pagkagawa ng interior designs, pagkaayos ng mga furnitures. So, pwede nyo siya gayahin. So, this modern dress-up unit is a modern design. So, again guys, this toilet and bath. So, pwede ito siya gayahin guys yung mga pinakita namin sa inyo na modern dress-up unit. Pwede niyo po siya gayahin para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano yung mas pagandahin pa yung property niyo. And guys, ito po yung storage na ginawa nila para mag-maximize pa yung space. And since meron pa tayong isang door dito, access to your service area. Now, check naman natin yung second floor. So, dito sa modern dress-up unit guys, since meron pa kasi ditong extra space, naglagay sila dito ng indoor plants. And of course, ang kagandahan dito sa property, sa unit nyo, pag naglagay ka ng chandelier, very super nice. And this is second bedroom, and this is your second bedroom. Now, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung toilet and bath. Now, check naman natin yung third bedroom. And this time, master bedroom. So, naglagay dito sila ng tables as a mini office. Then, dito kasya dito ang queen or king bed size. And dito, tapat ng toilet and bath, naglagay na din po sila ng cabinet. And of course, toilet and bath, only access of master bedroom. See, napakaganda. Super. Now, check naman natin yung balcony niya. So guys, this is the modern dress-up unit. Imagine, di ba ang napakaganda manirahan dito? Super ang ganda. Dito sa Antel Grand Village. Kung ikaw ay naging interested sa house tour ko, message nyo lang po ako para ma-assist ko pa kayo. And before that, before pag-end yung house tour vlog natin, ipakita ko na muna sa inyo yung details competition. Hey guys, this is the official competition of Nevada Model. The total contract price is 14,690,000 pesos. And the down payment is 2,245,225 pesos, payable in 18 months. And the reservation fee is 80,000 pesos only. And the loanable amount is only 12,722,944 pesos. And also, we have available payment terms in cash, bank financing, and deferred cash. And pagdating naman sa amenities, syempre, hindi magpapahuli dito dahil high-end amenities meron dito si Antel Grand Village. Like beach pool, party pool, Kaya pwede kayo dito mag-relax, mag-banding, dahil sa sobrang ang daming amenities meron dito sa Antal Grand Village. Hey guys, naipakita ko na sa iyo ang actual turnover at saka modern dress-up unit of this property model na si Nevada na meron po siyang 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath at may 2 car garage. At naging interesado ka, message nyo lang po ako para ma-assist ko po kayo from the site viewing hanggang sa reservation. And if ang preferred nyo ay only residential lot, meron po tayong available dito. Of course, if ever gusto nyo din mag-business, available din po tayo dito as a commercial line. Again, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. See you soon! Thank you to Dream House!